Hi guys, SPJain have just released their placement report for 2020. So let's check it out. So before we go into the report, let's check about the college, what kind of students are there, badge profile and everything. That's the greener side of SPJain. SPJain is based in Andheri, yeah, in Mumbai, where you know never find anything green. So but yeah, this angle is taken green, otherwise it's a pure Mumbai is a concrete jungle otherwise. So it's situated in the 45-acre campus of Bhavans. So Bhavans campus के अंदर है college, which have an intake of around 700 in various colleges. But for MBA, they normally take around 240 students. Yeah. So let's check out the exam accepted. Obviously, are CAT, ZAT, and GMAT. So SPJain is the only top B school which admit students on the basis of profile. So if you have a good profile, there's a sectional cutoff of quant, verbal, logic as 75, 70, 75, and oral if you have 85 percentile in CAT or ZAT, you can get a call provided you have a good profile. Profile they mean either you have a good academic record, number one, or you have a good work ex, number two, or you have a good extracurricular activities. This or mean any one of them will do. Mean you can have a 70 70 70 I think is a good academic record. If you maintain 10 12 graduation 70 70 70, you can apply for SPJain and expect a profile based call. Or if you have 2 years of work ex, or not and, or 2 years of work ex, you can apply. Or good extracurricular activities. What do you mean by good extracurricular activities? Is like you've been good in sports, you have played state level, school level nahi chalega, state level, district level will do, will rock here. Some internship, highest stipend is 2.32, median is 2.4, and average stipend is 2.25, which is at par with all the main IIMs. Yeah, total 239 people participated for 69 companies who turned up. And we have a few recruiters who have come for the campus. Okay, TAS is coming to this as well. Now we move to the final placement scenario which we are looking for. Highest package is 51 lakh. Average package is 26.36 lakhs. Yeah, median 25 lakhs. That's what they have maintained here. 56.7% of the batch have got around 25 lakh package. 86% is equal to 20 lakh package, and 95% of the batch have got 18 lakh package. Yeah, this is a new thing which all the colleges started doing, that all the top colleges, so that you can guess. Yeah, now average is no more important. Now they look at this thing also. So 56%, more than half of the batch have got a package of 25 lakhs. Yeah, so this is what you should be focused on. So you check out this link to check out all the detail about the companies and all. So that's a good thing to look at. Yeah, most of the highest ever gender diversity, 41% women. This is, trust me, one of the top at any B schools, including IIMs and all, that 45% of the batch is women and 59% male. So which is a good sign, which is a very good indicator that college have taken good efforts for the gender diversity. 26% engineers, again a very good number as compared to the main IIMs. Only 74% engineers, 26% non-engineers. And 65% of the batch have work experience, because obviously they are giving preference to people with work ex. Yeah. So this is, but on the other hand, if you look at 35% batch is a fresher as well, which is in sync with every college. So because if you look at the IIM Ahmedabad to any college, around 30% is the number of freshers, and 30% of the people have work ex for more than 2 years. So it's a well balanced profile at almost every B school. So those are freshers can also think of applying. Those of work experience can also think of applying at SPJain. Exam accepted CAT, GMAT, CAT's ZAT for most of us, but you can also apply via GMAT. Yeah, and 85 percentile cutoff if you have a good profile. If you don't have a good profile, then obviously the CAT based calls, the score based call, which is around 98 percentile, provided you clear the section cutoff. Okay, so good profile 75 percentile and average profile 98 percentile. So you are a good or average, please post in the comment box so that we can advise you whether you're going to get a call or not from SPJain. Otherwise, the good thing here, the main part here, average salary is rocking 26 lakhs, which is at par with IIM ABC. Yep, all the best.